We in Kenya have to strengthen devolution. It's part of our constitution. And we need to get our counties becoming more robust. And we look forward to a situation where one day the governor of Kisii will be the one lending money to the national government of Kenya. And it can be done because in the past, and Simbarati will bear me out, there's something that went wrong. I don't know what it is. But before we transited to the county governments, we had the Local Government Act, which was governing our entities. And at that time, they were not drawing money from the national government. There was no revenue share. But the same county governments, local governments, were able to pay salaries. Simba Arati is a practitioner in this. In Nairobi, they were able to meet the salary payments for the Nairobi City Council. So what happened when the revenue share mechanism came in? Did we then encourage some measure of laxity? Or what did we do? So these are issues to look at. Capacity building. This is an area that needs to be done very fast. We have also seen that the county governments, most of them have not been rated. Many areas remain untapped. You need to find a way of accelerating the professionals, fast track them to help that to be done, employ technology so that we can then bring in as many ratepayers as we can. As we said, that was the beginning of the politics. In the medieval times, you know it, it was a question of who are the property owners, and they are the ones who then determined the political direction of a nation. Now, there's a reversal. It is not necessarily the property owners who determine the political direction of a nation. It's the general populace that does that. But then we now must have functioning entities to encourage proper service delivery and to make sure that people can earn what is their worth in terms of being able to improve our education, our healthcare, and all the programs that we ought to when we are in public space. So thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope that the outcome of your conversations will enrich all of us in this area of property taxes and how we can improve that space. Asanteni sana.